we're going to have a fun semester because we're going to be using state-of-the-art tools, including generative AI, artificial intelligence programs that generate code for you. And so we're going to have to make sure that we're learning at the same time and not leaning on this as a crutch. But I think it's going to make the abilities that you have so much greater, so much faster. I think it's going to cut a lot of the frustration of learning a new programming language. So I'm really excited to show this to you. So let's begin by loading the IDE, the Integrated Development Environment, the software program that we're going to use. It's from a company called JetBrains, and they have a free version of this software, IntelliJ, called Community Edition. So let's Google for JetBrains IntelliJ Community Edition download. Okay, and we'll hop in. Okay, so here's the URL where it's located at. Now you do not want the Ultimate Edition. That's going to run free for a little while and then ask you to pay. And it has features we don't need. But if you scroll down here, you'll see the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. You're going to click to download, and then in Google, right, you're going to want to come to the download window. So when we download it, right, we've got a little icon here that shows us how it's downloading, how long it's going to take. We can then go to the folder or just execute it, and you're going to run that program and install it on your computer. Okay, I'm going to pause right now because I already have it installed. Okay, so that's your first step, is installing IntelliJ, the IDE. And the next step, we have to install Java. So we'll move on to the next video for that.